Home renovation financing, the most awesome tool to use to get into a house that needs home improvements. If you're looking at a $700,000 or $800,000 home and you're thinking you've got enough money for a down payment, but you sure don't have enough money to make the repairs or to get the place the way you want it, this is a solution for you. We can typically go to 95% loan to value with this program. It's an awesome way to get into a place and get the property the way you'd like it, to do a rehab of the kitchen and bathrooms, carpeting, exterior roof, whatever it might be, appliances, or everything all inclusive. Here's a scenario I'm going to show you for purchasing a property around $800,000 in San Diego County and getting $200,000 to make rehab, to make significant improvements to the property. We'll show you with a one loan. It's one loan, 30-year fixed. It's a one-time close. This is an awesome way to make this happen. Here's how it works for a property that would be priced at $775,000. This is just one example. I'm happy to share with you an example based on the particular property that you're looking at. We have an acquisition price of $775,000. We have an estimate of $200,000 for home improvements. We build in a contingency reserve so you don't have to worry about cost overruns. We also build in the architectural fees and all of the other relevant fees consisting of inspections that are required, additional title fees, and even potentially other costs that you might have. So with this example, $200,000 loan amount, we're writing a loan on this property for you based on the San Diego County limit of $977,000, but we only need $966,000. This means that if we go 95% loan to value, you're only coming in with about $75,000. Heck, that's what a normal down payment would be in itself. So, if you were thinking, 5% and then you add the normal closing cost, you're already in the $50,000 range to get a property that's around $800,000. Whereas with this, if the numbers are right, for another $20-some thousand, you can see down here for $75,000 out of pocket. This is everything. This is all inclusive to get into a property priced around $800,000 with $200,000 in rehab money, and you get up to a year to make the improvements to get everything complete, because it is going to take time. Now, there's a lot to know about this particular program. It's going to be contingent upon the after repaired value of the property. So there's going to be an appraisal done based on the current market value, sales price, and then the future value based on the repairs. So all of that is very relevant here. But if you've been out looking, you've probably seen flippers buy property for $700,000 or $800,000. They put paint and carpet in, lipstick on a pig, and then all of a sudden they're trying to flip it to you for $1.2 million, $1.3 million. I've seen it even more significant than that. This is an opportunity to get in right and to make the improvements the way you want, get the place the way you would like to live in it, and not get ripped off by a rehabber. I'm sure you have questions. If we can run an analysis based on any particular property, we'd be glad to do so, or feel free to take this information to your lender as well and let them know that you want to get in on the home renovation financing to acquire a property and to be able to rehab it. Happy house hunting.